He's deuced out.
Yeah, right. Fucking ass.
Okay. So we'll just go through these, and you can, if you know these people.
That's strip club kid. He's square as a motherfucker. He know him, but like
Strip club.
honestly, this dude is who my baby mama done roll with. There.
Okay.
That's how they got to sit there because they said that this shit happened by his car.
That's the Jasmine. Okay.
Roll with
It happened by whose car?
his car. Well, that's probably this guy right here.
Oh, okay.
I don't know his name, but
And the
they
fight or
they
the
call him strip club king.
strip club king? Okay. And it happened the
No.
fight or the shooting?
Shooting. They couldn't leave because it was by their car.
His car.
What kind of car he had, man?
I have no
You know,
idea.
I think there was a black Mercedes that couldn't be moved.
He got a few bitches. He might got a Mercedes now.
Who's this guy?
That's Papa Willow's artist. That's the Twine guy. He's super tough.
What do you know about him? What is artist? What does that mean?
He's a rapper under
He's a
his
rapper.
Do Stamp Records.
Okay.
He got the shirt on right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So how do you know that guy?
I just know him from being around Papa Willow. Like I don't actually know them personally, but I just know like who they squad is, who they hang with. You know what I mean? Like Christians in the street and then go get around this dude and be a motherfucker's flunky and do whatever he do because he feeding. You know what I mean? Like
This guy Carey.
I don't see why he wouldn't.
Okay.
You got to around Papa Willow.
Yeah. Does Papa Willow carry?
He try to be smart. No, he's the smart one. He feel like that. I'm gonna feed you little niggas. I'm gonna buy y'all these chains and y'all better rock it. Shit
Right.
gotta rock. You know what I mean?